Hey there, today we're going to look at how to set limits in AutoCAD, so let's get started. First, write the steps exactly as given in the script, keeping them simple and direct. Over here, make sure every important action is included. Then, remove any unnecessary explanation. Then, after that, go to the command line and type limits, then press enter to start setting the drawing boundary. Over here, AutoCAD will now ask for the lower left corner, so enter 0, 0 carefully to define the starting point. Then, after that, enter the upper right corner value as 1000, 1000 to complete the rectangular limit area. Over here, these 2 points define your working boundary and control the drawable area in AutoCAD. Then, after that, type limits again in the command line and press enter to activate the settings. Over here, now type on and press enter to enable the limits and enforce the boundary. Then, after that, try drawing inside the area and AutoCAD will now restrict anything outside the defined limits. Over here, this ensures your workspace stays clean, organized, and fully controlled within the set boundary. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.